Hello and welcome to our video on the supply chain in the automotive industry. In this video, we'll be exploring the different steps involved in the supply chain for cars, from raw materials to the finished product, especially focusing on the procurement part. Let's get started. The automotive industry refers to the group of companies involved in the design, development, manufacture, marketing, and sale of motor vehicles. Automotive means the final products such as passenger cars, trucks, buses, motorcycles, and other types of vehicles. It is a global industry, with major players located in various countries around the world, being a vital part of many national economies. What is the product realization process? The first step in the automotive supply chain is design and engineering. This involves designing the car and its components, as well as engineering the production process to ensure that it's efficient and cost-effective. The next step is procurement, involving sourcing raw materials, such as steel, rubber, and plastic, as well as the components, such as engines, transmissions, and electronics. Prior manufacturing launch phase, procurement professionals work closely with the design and engineering teams to identify the specific requirements for each part or component. To be specific, it covers conducting market research to identify potential suppliers, evaluating supplier capabilities and capacity, and negotiating contracts and pricing with suppliers. After the materials and components are sourced, the next step is manufacturing, including assembling the car, from the frame to the engine to the interior components. Automotive manufacturers use a variety of manufacturing techniques, including assembly line production and robotic manufacturing, to streamline the process and ensure consistency and quality. The procurement team is also responsible for ensuring that the selected suppliers meet the quality and delivery requirements specified by the design and engineering teams. This involves monitoring supplier performance, managing supplier relationships, and resolving any issues that may arise during the manufacturing process. Once the cars are manufactured, the next step is distribution. Automotive manufacturers work with dealerships and distributors to get the cars to their customers. Traditionally speaking, cars are shipped to dealerships or distribution centers, where they're then sold to customers. Finally, the last step in the automotive supply chain is service and maintenance. After the car is sold, it requires ongoing service and maintenance to keep it running smoothly. Typically, it covers routine maintenance tasks such as oil changes and tire rotations, as well as more complex repairs. We hope you found this video informative and insightful. Thanks for watching. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Till next time.